Well, this is definitely not the video I had planned for you at this time, but I think it's very important for us to get ahead of some of the things you may be hearing about the latest Bambu Lab A1 3D printer recall. And first things first, this is not a new recall. It's more like a A1 recall part duh.
Is that how it's pronounced?
This only affects the printers that were affected in the previous recall, but now they're going ahead and expanding it to every A1 sold before January 30th, 2024. And instead of letting you take that wait and see approach, they're actually requesting you either send it back or take it to an authorized repair center. So that means no more DIY replacements. This actually has to be authorized by a real repair center. And the second thing I want to point out is something I said in my review of the A1. According to Bambu, the initial recall only affected approximately 0.1% of all units sold. Well, according to the government website for the CPSC, or the Consumer Product Safety Commission, Bambu Lab sold 12,800 of these units. And of those nearly 13,000 units, well, they've only had 19 reports of damaged cables, and only one of those had sparking, and there weren't any injuries. Now, I'm no math whiz, but I did check the math, and 19 reports out of 12,800 sold isn't 0.1%. It's actually 0.0015%. So what do you look for, and how do you know if this recall affects you? Well, it's simple. Your serial number is all you need. The sixth place on your serial number will have a letter. And if that letter has an A, then you are affected by the recall, and you should unplug your printer immediately, according to Bambu Lab. And there are 3 places you can check this to verify your serial number. Inside the app, go to Devices. In the upper right corner, click on those 3 lines, the hamburger, to get to Settings. At the very bottom, click on your firmware version, and you'll see your A1 information. And right under the name, there's your serial number. On the A1 itself, just go to the Settings page and click on Device. You'll then be able to see your printer and AMS serial numbers. Last, or maybe first if you don't want to get all clicky, on the back of the A1 is a silver sticker with a QR code. Next to the QR code is your serial number. Now, I checked the A1 I got back in May, and I have the letter C there, so I'm good. Hopefully you're good as well, since I know how big a pain it can be to go through all the recall hoops, whether you're returning it or especially getting it fixed. My personal thoughts on all of this, well, I have advice and an opinion. My advice on what to do, return or repair, is really just down to one factor: speed. You know, you want to get back to printing as quickly as possible, so returning it and getting a new one, that's probably your quickest way. Also, reliability, so that's 2 things.
That's 2 things.
Now, my personal opinion on all of this, I've been 3D printing for quite a few years now, and yeah, I've had some problems. And that brings me to Bambu. I have the A1 Mini, the A1, and a P1S. These are my go-to printers, especially my A1 Mini. And I'm really not what you would call a fanboy for Bambu Lab.
Big fan!
But I am a fanboy for reliability and customer service. If this recall, parts 1 and 2, should tell us anything, it's that Bambu Lab's trying to do the right thing, whether it's because of marketing and optics, or if it's because they really want to make it right to the customer, or maybe both. Well, I honestly don't care as long as it gets done. And that's really what it's about: getting ahead of the problem, making it as easy as possible to fix it, and actually following through. And so far, I've seen nothing but good intentions from Bambu. Since I'm an optimist about most things, I'll keep that opinion until something changes it. Oh yeah, one more thing here. If you bought your A1 at Micro Center, absolutely go check with them before doing anything else. Right now, from what I can see, they're giving a $120 gift card to you for your troubles. And with that massive discount going on right now with Bambu Lab stuff because of their 2-year anniversary, well, you could almost get an A1 Mini for half price. Yeah, well, I hope I've helped alleviate any concerns or fears that you may have had about the A1. Still think it's a great machine and I use mine constantly. Check out my review on it if you want, and please hit subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I'm just doing my part to help us all out here in the lab as we safely learn, create, and amaze.